First, open the Dafulai Electronics website. Click on Products in the top navigation bar. Scroll down to 8 Simulink Embedded Creator, then click the Download link. Once the file mcreator.zip finishes downloading, unzip it using any compression tool. Inside the unzipped folder, double-click setup.bat. If a security warning appears, just click Run to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, enter a full directory path, including the drive letter, for the installation folder. If the folder doesn't exist, the installer will create it for you. In this video, we'll create a new folder manually and copy its path into the installer. The installer will search for your MATLAB.exe location. This may take 5 to 30 seconds. If MATLAB is found, the necessary files will be copied to your destination folder. MATLAB will then launch automatically and prompt you to enter a 12-character license key for Embedded C Creator. You can enter any 12 characters. The installer doesn't validate the license at this stage. If the license is invalid, the embedded debug and monitor functions will still work for 15 minutes. You'll have another chance to enter a valid license later. Once installation is complete, MATLAB will close automatically. If it doesn't, please close it manually. Installation progress is shown in the command window. After installation, launch MATLAB manually. You should see the message, Embedded C Code Creator from Dafulai Electronics Inc. already installed, in the MATLAB command window. Now, open Simulink and click Blank Model to start a new project. In the library browser, you'll find a new section called Embedded C Creator, Dafulai Electronics. In the next video, we'll create a target application to blink an LED every 0.5 seconds. Thanks for watching.